Merry Christmas everyone! So ito, ipapasyal ko muna kayo sa aking mumunting bahay or mumunting bahay namin, 'di ba? So ito naman yung aming maliit na Christmas tree. I think it's 4 feet. So, ganun pa din nung nakaang Christmas. Ganun pa din naman yung siguro may kunting kaibahan lang kasi may mga inad ako na mga ibang Christmas decor dito. Nagbago ako ng mga Christmas balls and ibang-iba pa diyan at iba-iba pa, 'di ba? So, ganyan lang ang isa sa mga nagpapasaya sa akin, yung nagde-decorate sa Christmas kasi December is my favorite season, 'di ba? So, I think binabanggit ko na din to sa iba kong mga vlog na ang December ay talagang paborito ko na buwan kasi nandiyan yung mga mixed emotion ko. Nandiyan yung mga saya, nandiyan yung lungkot kasi ito yung month na nawala yung nanay ko at kinuha na ni God, 'di ba? At ito din yung kaarawan ko, ito din yung Christmas at New Year na dapat kasama ang buong pamilya, 'di ba? Pero alam niyo naman mga kapatid, iba talaga ang buhay sa ibang bansa. Kahit pa nandito yung asawa ko at isa kong anak, iba pa rin talaga pag nasa Pilipinas, kasama ang lahat-lahat at buong pamilya, mga kapatid, tatay, iba-iba pa, 'di ba? Mga pamangkin, mga apo, 'di ba? So ito naman yung aming mga mumunting regalo para sa aming tatlo. Ang dami-dami, 'di ba? Pero kaming tatlo lang 'yan. Di ko alam kung kanino ang pinakamarami regalo dito. So kami lang naman yung nag mga kapatid, nagpapasaya lang din sa sarili namin, 'di ba? Na ma-enjoy din namin ang at ma-feel din namin yung Christmas, 'di ba? So ito, tinutort ko lang kayo mga kapatid. Mga isa sa mga kahiligan ko pag araw ng Pasko, 'di ba? Ito naman yung aking aquarium. Nilipat ko kasi siya. I think di ko kayo na-update dahil iba ang space or iba yung pinaglagyan ko nung nakaraan. Dahil nahirapan ako kung saan ko ilagay yung Christmas tree ko dahil bago yung sofa namin. I think nasa vlog ko din yung bagong sofa namin. At nahirapan ako kung saan ko ipwesto itong Christmas tree. So napag-isipan ko dito siya sa baba ng aming television. Pero ililipat ko din to dahil hindi daw maganda na ang aquarium ay connected sa malapit sa television kasi may tendency na mag-crack, 'di ba? So, gagawa natin ng paraan 'yan. So, sa ngayon, i-enjoy muna natin yung Christmas at ito yung aking mga mumunting decoration dito sa loob ng aming maliit na sala. Yan. O, 'di ba? May pakinang-kinang din ako diyan, may mga candle at mga lights din ako dyan sa center table namin. So, alam ko, late yung upload ko ng video kasi, alam nyo naman mga kapatid, di ba? Pag mga season holiday talaga, busy-busy tayo. So, hindi natin talaga agad may upload yung mga videos. At marami akong mga videos na hindi ko pa na-upload mula nung nagbakasyon ako sa Pilipinas. So, sana maintindihan nyo ako na yung iba ko mga videos ay talagang nasa Pilipinas pa yung iba. Pero ilalagay ko naman sa caption ko na nasa Pilipinas pa yan nung nagbakasyon ako. So ito lang naman yung ipakita ko sa inyo mga kapatid, yung decoration, kung paano ako nag-ayos ng bahay this year or last year, 2023 Christmas. At maya-maya, magkatuwaan din kami kasi magbigayan na kami ng aming mga regalo, 'di ba? So for now, tinutur ko muna kayo dito. Dito naman tayo ngayon sa aming dining area. Malit lang naman tong bahay namin mga kapatid. Pero, syempre, magpa-char-char din tayo, 'di ba? Pag may occasion, pagagandahin yung bahay, 'di ba? Kasi yan lang naman yung nagpapasaya sa atin eh. Yung masaya ang bahay tingnan, malinis, organized, 'di ba? So, ito namang candles na to, battery operated yan sila. So, trinay ko lang din siyang ilagay dyan para naman may ilaw-ilaw din dyan at hindi madilim. Pag hindi mo buksan yung ilaw, parang kahit battery operated siya, parang automatic siyang umiilaw. Ano siya? Automatic siyang umiilaw pag may oras siyang umiilaw. So, ipakita ko naman sa inyo yung mga dito sa kitchen namin. May mga fruit ako na konti. So, dahil Christmas, pag sa New Year, maghahanda din ako ng mga fruit. Kasi, iba naman yung handa sa New Year di ba? Kaugalian naman natin, mag-prepare tayo ng 12 kind of fruit. So, ako naman, 12 to 13, lampas pa dyan. So, parang lang sa ating mga Pilipino. At ito namang mga style na yan ay nakaugalian ko lang din dahil sa nanay ko. Kasi yun yung nakikita ko sa kanya noon hanggang lumaki ako. Nakakamiss nga pag ang nanay ang mawala sa bahay, di ba? So, dahil iba naman ang life ko ngayon dahil dito ako sa iyo So, iba naman yung lifestyle ko. Pero ganun pa din. Sinusunod ko pa rin yung mga tradisyon sa Pilipinas. Nating mga Pilipino kasi Pilipino tayo Kahit naman nasa Amerika, Pinay na Pinay pa din ang dating ko. Di ba? So, ayan naman yung mga decoration dito sa dining. Itong counter kasi namin medyo may kahabaan. Yan namang art na yan, yung Bible verse na yan, gawa ko yan. So, ito tayo sa dining namin. Maliit lang yung dining namin mga kapatid. So, ito naman yung mga food na prepare ko para sa mamaya sa dinner namin. At bumili rin ako ng cake para kay Papa Jesus kasi birthday niya, 'di ba? So, yun lang yun. First time ko rin kung nag-ano ng cake para sa birthday ni Papa Jesus. So, I think gawin ko na yan every year. Na every Christmas, merong cake si Papa Jesus. Diba cute? Actually, biglaan tong pagbili ko ng cake sa Costco. Dahil akala ko per order talaga. So, nung nagpunta ako sa Costco, kami madalian ni Habi. Tinanong ko yung babae kasi may mga display naman na cake doon. Sabi niya okay lang daw, letrahan daw niya o lagyan niya ng letter o writing. Mabait din yung mabait din yung nag-a-assist sa amin. So, meron kaming spaghetti, meron kaming lumpia. So, Pinay na Pinay or Pinoy na Pinoy yung ating handa. Si Habi naman kasi kumakain naman siya ng Filipino food, but not lahat. Hindi naman lahat. Mahilig siya sa pansit, adobo, lumpia. Kumakain siya ng chicken stew, yung tinatawag sa ating afritada, and then caldereta. Kumakain siya niyan. Pero hindi kasi masyado si Habi sa beef. Chicken siya at saka isda. May mga pagkain din kasi siya na bawal na sa tiyan niya. Yung mag-a-acid siya, di ba? So ito naman yung magandang art na Bible verse. Binili ko lang to sa 99 cents, pero ang ganda ng pagkagawa, di ba? Tabingi pa ata yung pagkakabit ko diyan. So ito naman yung settings ko dito sa dining namin. So ayan naman yung ating battery na candle. So, ito, magdi-dinner na kami at magpe-pray na kami. Magpapasalamat tayo. Hindi tayo po dapat makalimot na magpasalamat sa Panginoon sa mga grasya na pinoprovide niya sa atin, diba mga kapatid? So, nakamute lang tong video ko at nagbo-voice over ako kasi nakalimutan ko mayroon kaming background music, which is i-avoid na lang natin na makapiright tayo, diba? So, naghahaponan na kami. Masaya din naman kami kahit tatlo lang. This time, hindi ako nag-i-invite ng guest. Hindi katulad nung nakaraan. Medyo, hindi ko alam. Parang pagod lang ako siguro. Nakaraan kasi, nag-invite ako ng mga friend ko. Ang mga friends ko naman kasi dito sa US, mga kapatid, mga kasama ko lang din sa trabaho. Hindi naman kasi ako barkadista, yung may friends ako marami, but hindi mo matawag na katulad ng iba sa atin sa Pilipinas na barkada as in, pag pumunta ka mag-shopping, kasama kayo, yung mga ganon. Wala akong ganyan. So, friend is a friend. Pag tawagin ko sila, nandyan sila, pero hindi yung katulad ng iba na palagi kayong magkasama kahit saan. Mahirap yung ganon kasi, alam mo na, trabaho tayo. So, hindi natin maano yung mga oras natin. Pag mag-day off naman, talaga magpahinga ka. Dahil trabaho at pagod ka. 'Di ba? So, and then marami ka pang gawain sa bahay. Minsan nga, di ko na maano lahat-lahat ng gawain sa bahay, mga kapatid. Kasi yung edad ko rin kasi tumataas na. So, yung ating powers din or energy natin, humihina na din. So, ito, sumasayaw-sayaw na ako at magbubukas na daw kami ng mga regalo.
Dapat dili ako buhatag sa gikan sa husband. Dapat ang gikan sa husband to wife, ang lain buhatag na mo, dili ako.
Ako pasabot ba ikay hatag sa imong mga gifts? Hindi ang sunod, sila na mo hatag sa ilang mga gifts? Sabi mo pasabot, ikaw mo hatag na?
Pag-sure mo. Uy, sige na mapulitan.
At ito, mga kapatid, naguguluhan ako kasi sa dami ng regalo namin sa aming tatlo lang. Hindi ko na alam kung saan yung dapat kong ibigay. At dahil hindi ako nakasuot ng salamin, kaya ito ang nangyayari. Bulag-bulag ang dating ko.
Okie-dokie. To, bunso. To, bunso from nanay.
Tama na.
I don't know. I don't remember.
What's this? Thank you.
Picture. There's a picture there. At the side. Hindi din mabihan.
Oh, yan. Uy, hindi ako hatag na. Diyan na niyo.
This one is for who? Uy, imo man ni. Kanino ka ba imo ni? Yung ihatag ni Jack. Kanino kapag.
Diyan sa akin.
Imo man ni. Itong hatag mo ano? Kani. Okay, okay. To husband. Husband. Picture mo na, picture. Picture! Yay!
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, open mo juga.
That's secure.
Oh, it's the same polo that you're using right now?
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Wintertime, long sleeve. Yeah, nice.
Does it fit?
This one says size. This one says size fit for dad. Yes, it fits. Yes.
Look, another one.
Another one. Let's see. Oh, this is nice. I always wanted one of these. Oh, this is in there. Oh,
You open.
nice. Oh, this is zip there. Zip, zip.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's another nice one. Long sleeve.
Yeah.
Oh boy, this is gonna keep you warm. This is nice. Okay. Same thing. Oh, blue, gray. Oh, nice. Keep you warm. Yes. Thank you.
Nakita ko siya
This one is from you. You want to give that to me. Because my glasses is not with me. I have a lot of gifts. Oh, to wear. Babe, give this one. To Wella. No, you give it to her. This is from you.
But you were standing there. Merry Christmas.
Thank you. What's this? Whoa! Thank you.
I think I have two. I think I have another one here. This one. You have two.
Sounds good.
Have a lot of boxes. Oh yeah, I like this.
Can you look at it? I don't have glasses.
Thank you.
Good out, nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay.
This is nice.
Ah,
How did you know what I like?
Of course. I'm the mother.
it says to wife.
What you got for me?
Nice dress. Aha. I love this.
Winter time.
It's not just for winter. It can be summer.
Okay.
Nice.
This one says to wife.
I have again. What's that? Is it tape?
Solution.
I like this. Oh. It's okay. I have a bag.
Oh,
Where did you buy this one?
secret.
It says Madden. Madden. Where is on that? In waste. Madden. I like this one. If I go to Island Pacific or seafood, I can easily grab this one. And like that. And there's a wallet. And I can just do like this. Ah. What? I have a lot? My goodness! Is it my mom? Oh boy. What's this?
That's Christmas / birthday gift.
Oh! It's a steam and iron!
2-in-1.
I got my dream! Yeah! I was planning to buy this one and you got it. Thank you, babe. Where's this one?
It says
Oh, that's
knife.
from me.
Huh?
Oh, you still have one here.
Oh.
Here.
Let's open this one.
From husband to wife.
Ah, oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
How about that? I have a lot. It's my mom. It's my
So you
mom.
ready?
Okay. Play muna. Yan. This is for Willa. From you. This is also both of them. Okay.
There's a lot.
What's this? Uy.
Uy.
What's that? I have jacket. Yeah.
Keep you warm.
Yeah.
I like this. It's corduroy.
Ready to go to Manchester?
Wait a minute,
Corduroy.
what's the top?
Where's the thing?
What's the top?
Yeah.
That one.
It's corduroy. It can be like that.
Oh.
Alright?
It's nice.
Winter
Yeah.
time. Yes.
Yeah. It's nice. I like this one.
Okay.
It's corduroy. I have a corduroy jacket, brown, but it's just for summer or something. What is that? Can you... Look at that. I'm not wearing glasses.
There's no name.
Oh, that's from you. From you to wife again. How many gifts I have? My God. Oh,
Ala?
what's this?
Pajama?
Pajama? Oh! satin, and like that.
Okay.
Sleep early.
This is for summer.
Thank you.
Oh, it can be. It can be for
Heard it.
the sound. Oh, this is a sandal. Yeah. Yeah, this one is good for, especially if in winter time, I put undershirt. To whom this one?
Ako na. To nanay.
I'm lucky! It's my...
Wait.
What's this? From Bunso! Oh! I have a boots! Oh yeah! Nasakto kanina ho? I
Snow-
like this!
Snow boots.
Is it a snow boot?
Mount Charleston.
Yeah, you can. It's heels, high heels. I don't think so. It can be, but for me, I don't know. If I wear this one, it's no. This one is nice. I like it. It has a zipper. Oh! I have jacket! It's matched to the thing. Yeah. See that? This one is what's brand? Dickie in white. I like this.
You're like an office lady.
Actually, I like. I want to have like this, but up to here. I don't have the. This one is only here. Here. But I want the one that look up to here.
You look like a black lady.
Okay. It's nice. Thank you. It's my day.
From doc to dad.
22. Cut. Oh, this isn't it? Okay. This one says heat.
What? What you got?
Oh yeah. To cover my feet. I'm sitting in my cave.
Uh-huh.
Yes. I don't know. Take the bite. Yes, thank you. This is good. Heat setting. Okay, put this over here.
I like that bag. Do not open until 25, December 25. And
Oh.
it's-
From me to you. What's this? Because I gave one to the test already.
This is heavy.
Oh, wait.
What I got? No, I can destroy it. Oh no, it's a big blanket. Where you buy this one? Costco. I like this.
Don't ask.
Thank you, Nak. What else?
I don't know who's that.
Ako na?
Tingnan ako. Hindi ako.
Sorry na.
Iya.
From?
why the camera is stopping? Mm.
Kina.
What? No, it's open now. But it stopped itself.
From me to dad.
Okay. Sure you know.
It's okay. It's working now.
Okay, let's take a look and see what. Alright. Yay!
Ready for Mount Charleston.
Yeah.
Mount Charleston.
She's the one who picked that.
You think it fits for you?
Yes.
Are you sure, babe?
Yes.
That size what?
Grateful. Yes. Thank you.
Size 12.
Okay.
Oh, what na?
Isa mo na.
Ija.
Look at that one, babe. Oh.
Well, see, what had happened was,
Is that for me again?
well, let's see. Now, this says, oh, this says, oh, you need to come take a look at this. It's,
Is that mine?
it's something. Yeah. Ready?
What? Oh! I have a lot! Lunch bag!
Lunch bag. There you go.
May see, you buy already lunch bag for me. I have another one. You are obsessed with lunch bag.
Nice
This is
color.
nice. It has the thing. I can put my spoon. Yeah, see? Put my spoon in here. What? And then,
Maybe because of the gesture.
oh, this one is nicer than the other one. This one has the extension. See? The other one, the first one that you put, there is no extension. This one has the thing. See? And then I can put something inside. Yeah. I like this. Thank you, babe.
It's nice. The
And
color
it's
is
all
nice.
pink.
Yeah.
That's mine!
Yeah.
Mine! Mine!
You have a Christmas tree
Oh.
of gifts.
This is from Ate Tess from work. So let me destroy so that there's another one. There's Merry Christmas from Tess to let. Oh, what's this? It's soft. It's Walmart plastic. Oh, it's towel, red. I think she knows what I like because she give me red. What is your color?
White. No.
Yeah, it's red. It's nice. I like red. I hope di niya mag-imulbul. Thank you, ate. So, this greet. Let's greet
Merry Christmas 2023!
God bless you all.